of painted streets where time and color never meet. Every face would blur away like waves that couldn't choose to stay. The sky was hanging low and gray, a world that felt like yesterday. And I was moving through it all, like I might fade, like I might fall. Every step a silent trace. No one knew my name, my place. Just the echo of the sea, calling something back to me. Where the rain remembers me in a quiet, restless sea. I was more than I could see in a place I used to be. Hold the moment, let it stay, don't let it just wash away. In the silence, in between, you're closer than you seem. Through the glass the world would bend, shapes of lives I couldn't mend.